Big salute, big salute, big salute, big salute. Love one, support goon, support squad. You already know, man. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all forever, man. Love y'all forever, man. Word up. Love y'all, love y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Let's jump straight into it. Early morning read, early morning read. Let's jump straight into it, y'all. Yeah, we almost finished. We only got 3 more chapters, so we're going to finish it on up today. We're going to finish it on up. Chapter 60. When ye shall see all these things. Chapter 60. When ye shall see all these things. Jesus prophesied that when we see the fulfillment of the prophecy of this time, then we should know by such acts of the people, strange actions that we have never witnessed before, carried on by the people. Know that the end is near, even at the doors. The Bible prophesies in Daniel and Matthew, saying that this is a time that man has never seen before, and man will never see such time again after this time. Strange happenings. The prophecies of Jesus and that parents will be against children and children will be against parents. Do you see these things being fulfilled today right in your eyes? Do you? Not only are parents against children and children against parents, but parents are murdering their children and children are murdering their parents. I love you, Mom. Even though I don't know you like that, Pops, I love you too. In some families, the parents kill the children and then commit suicide themselves. This is going on today in the old USA, where the gospel of Jesus is preached every hour of the day, somewhere in the land. In this time in which we are now living, there is no respect for dignity. The president leaving the country to travel afar to meet with rulers of foreign countries to discuss the strange things that are happening and the strange things that will happen between the nations. Yeah, because they all meeting up right now. The beautiful and rich country of America, to which many people of Europe and Asia migrated, seeking refuge in this country, as the prophecy is now coming into fulfillment. In that day and time, everyone will begin to go away from America instead of coming to America. Yeah, it looks like that's starting to happen right now. As the Revelation Bible teaches us of the prophecy that they will stand afar off and see the fire of her, America's burning, and for fear of it, they will lift up their heads and their voices. They will lament for her. America's trade is cut off, and all of her delicious and delicate things that she used to have in trade, it is all gone. Damn. Y'all see the supply chain? In 1 hour, 1 day, it came to pass here in the Western Hemisphere. The most wicked people who ever lived on the earth are in the Western Hemisphere, as the Bible teaches us that God said that to him this is like Sodom and Gomorrah. Yeah, man, all that freaky, man on man, woman on woman, party. Man, when he say 1 day, I'm assuming 1 day, 1 hour, I'm assuming that's 1 year. And you see everything changed in 1 year. He, Allah, God, did say that the wickedness of the day of Noah and his people and Lot and his people, the Sodomites, was no more than child's play compared to the wickedness of today. For they are highly educated. They are scientists at making wickedness for themselves. day and night, up and down the streets. People are killing, murdering each other. We do not know very much about what is going on in Europe, but we do see it right here in this city of Chicago. Chirac, big salute, Chicago, Illinois. The radio and the television announced to the public that murdering and killings are taking place continually. When ye shall see all these things. Today there is great respect of one another. Today there is great disrespect. My apologies. There is great disrespect of one another. Mother and her daughter are walking the streets in shame to the public of decent-minded people. They are throwing their clothes. Hold on, let me say this. They are throwing their clothes aside from their bodies. Yeah, they like to walk around showing it off. Trying to keep nothing covered but their shame, and some barely cover their shame. As it was in the day of Noah and Lot, so shall it be in the day of the coming of the Son of Man. The Son of Man comes to judge man and mankind. The day had come. As Daniel prophesied, Bible, Daniel chapter 9, verse 26 and 27. And unto the end of the war, desolates are determined. And for the overspreading of abominations, he shall make it desolate, even until the consummation, and that determined shall be poured upon the desolate. Just think about it. At the end of the war, desolation. So that puts an end to the hope of those who expect to see a great boost of prosperity after the war. In the day of Noah, the children of the Sodomites came out happy that morning, and that was the end. They saw a cloud making up. They just considered that it was a regular rain cloud, but that was the end. In the Bible prophecy of Jesus, Matthew chapter 24, verse 38 and 39, for as in the days that were before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage, until the day that Noah entered into the ark, and knew not until the flood came and took them all away. In the time of Noah, the people of Noah were having parties as you are doing today, and that day was the end. In the time of Sodom and Gomorrah, they were so wicked that they were willing to go to war with the angels in the house of Lot. The Sodomites attacked the angels of God, who had power to destroy the Sodomites almost instantly. The Sodomites warned that they had been watching the angels visiting the house of Lot. A terrible time is gradually approaching upon us, a time so terrible until it will make children gray-headed. The Holy Quran teaches us. The Bible teaches us that it will be a time never witnessed by man, and there will be such time in the hereafter. It is a great time. Day and night, storms are writhing, writhing, writhing the country. It is storming day and night. The Holy Quran prophesies of calamities, one right after the other. This we are witnessing with our own eyes. O America, where shall ye flee? The Holy Quran teaches us, black man, to take refuge in Allah. Yeah, I seek refuge in Allah every day. Today, people laugh at you if you invite them to do righteousness. They make mock of your doing right. So did the people of Noah and Lot. As it is said so beautifully in Jesus' prophecy, so shall it be in the day of the coming of the Son of Man, when ye shall see all things that you now see. Know that it is here. We are living in the end. My black people, I say fly to Allah God for refuge, and come follow me. I may look weak, but through me you will find refuge in Allah. Allahu Akbar. And that's the end of chapter 60. Chapter 61, the judgment nears. The judgment nears. So big salute. Love y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned, stay tuned. Finna go make me some tea. Sipping me some old passion fruit this morning. And remember, use your big stick while speaking gently. And I hope you got the message.